Please enjoy.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? Jared Glory here, and today I'm bringing you the first actual tutorial for my second channel, the editing tutorial. So yeah, I'm very excited to be doing this because I want to help people out. I just don't want these to be cluttered on my main channel because some people don't care about this stuff. But for the people who do, welcome. Here we are. But yeah, so I'm just gonna basically wing this right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do an RGB split in this video. Basically, it looks like what you're seeing on screen right now. It's like when you split the colors and it looks all 3D and shit. So I don't know, it looks pretty cool. And if you want to learn how to do this effect, then stick around. I'm gonna do this tutorial. I'm gonna be using Hitfilm 4 Express because that's what I use for like all my edits, I guess you could say. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So I just got a little 1-minute clip of me playing zombies here from a long time ago, and basically I'm just gonna throw this into a composite shot and we're gonna get going. So first, obviously you go to import, load your project, whatever, load your video, and then you're gonna want to right click it and then make composite shot. There you go, and just hit OK. And then this is where we're gonna actually do our stuff. And then the important thing is when you're using the composite shot, a lot of the time switch to the compositing view model. Now basically what you do to create this effect, you're gonna, oh my god, I typed in history because I have history homework due. Look up an effect called levels histogram and just drag it onto your clip. And what levels histogram does is you can mess with the colors and stuff. So if you want to get rid of all the green, if you want to get rid of all the blue and leave just red, all that stuff. So you can control individual color channels on a clip. So yeah, also sorry if this is boring, but I mean this is what I go through. So yeah, this is what it looks like. You got your green, your red, your blue, your combined everything, like the black and white. So what you're going to want to do is take this effect and then import the levels histogram onto it, and then you're going to want to duplicate it twice to get 3 different layers. 3 different layers of the same thing. So you can right click and hit duplicate right there, or you can just press Control D or Command D, whatever you're using. And then basically what we're going to do is we're going to isolate the clips. So for the first clip here, I'm just going to call it red. And then the second clip, I'm going to call it green. And the third clip, I'm going to call it blue. So yeah, red, green, blue. So basically what we're going to do is I turned off these other 2 layers, even though they're the same thing, so you can't tell. But you can't see the layers now, just this one. And basically, we're gonna keep red on, and then we're gonna go to green and turn it all the way down to 0. Turn it all the way off. You can do it here, there, wherever you want. And then go down to blue, and then also turn that all the way off. So the only color on is red. Because red, green, blue, those are the 3 primary colors, all that stuff. But yeah, what we're basically doing, I know you guys really don't care, but you make 1 layer completely red, 1 layer completely blue, 1 layer completely green, and when you combine them, it will look like the original, and then when you move it around, it gets all 3D-ish. That's what we're basically trying to do. So I'm going to turn off red and turn on the green layer here, which isn't green yet, so we're going to select this. And basically, we're gonna turn the red one and the blue one off, but leave the green on. So turn those 2 off, leave this green one on. And I do actually recommend renaming it, because if you have a big project, with my Rip Peep music video thing, it was almost 200 layers. So yeah, it was kind of hard to keep track of everything. And then for the blue layer here, the bottom one, I don't know if you have to use this order, but this is the way I've always been using. So I don't know if it matters, but I don't know. This is the way I've always been using. So you're going to turn red and green all the way off and leave blue on. So that way you see this layer, this channel is blue, this one's green, and this one's red. That's what we just did. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select all of them at the same time. So you can click one of them, then shift click the top one, click the bottom, shift click the top, or you can hold down Control and just click all of them, whatever. You do that, and then you're gonna right click on anywhere, any of the layers, and then for blend mode, you're gonna go add, and you see now it looks like the original thing. But that's because all these layers are like combined now. See the green? We add it with the blue, and we add that with the red, and then it gets back to normal. So now this is where you can really mess around with it. As you see, I'm gonna switch up to this screen here, this little panel, and basically what you can do is when you move the position of it and stuff. What the fuck? Oh, messed up. When you move the position, you see how like 3D it's getting. See that? That's because we're moving the red channel. As you can see, we're moving the red away. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Some people, what I did for the text on my Rip Peep video, I'm actually gonna do this so you guys can see it better. What I did for the text on my Rip Peep video is I turned this one back like 5, I think, and then I took the green and put it forward like 5. Not 5 actually, I probably did like 3, because 5 is a lot. You don't want to go overboard with this, but yeah, as you can see, like the colors and all that stuff, and it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty 3D-ish, and this is like, in my opinion, the first step to making VHS. Bam. As you can see, it kind of looks like a VHS. Obviously, there's a lot more effects you gotta add to it, but like, also the audios. Oh, another thing, when you duplicate all the layers, the audio will stack, and it'll sound like ass. So don't forget to turn that off, because it sounds pretty booty. Something you can do is you can also scale the layers out. So like, that also looks kind of cool, but this one's like way more trippy. But that one looks cool too. Oh no. Yeah, but you can scale it out, so it's all trippy, but it looks pretty cool in my opinion. There's a lot of really cool things you can do with this effect. Yeah guys, I really hope you did enjoy. If you did, leave a like and a comment, all that stuff. Comment maybe what you want me to do next. Actually, on my main channel, the next video I'm uploading, which is I believe this weekend, I'm going to be asking you guys like what like effects I've done and edits I've done from my main channel videos that you guys want me to show, and make sure it's like specific effects like this color RGB thing, not like show me how you made this entire video, because fuck no, I'm just planning on picking a couple and doing something like that. But yeah guys, this was kind of like a little chill thing. I hope you did enjoy, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out, and peace.